timbers are 8 inches wide by 13, 14 inches tall. The Milwaukee chainsaw with a 16-inch blade. It had plenty of power.
I definitely did not expect it to work like it does.
We cut everything from our power poles to we've cut oak trees down now with it, and goes right through perfectly. It never bogs down. It actually performs better than we think than the gas ones do.
The Milwaukee chainsaw lets me cut any kind of hardwood, any diameter that I run up against. It cuts faster than a gas.
The Milwaukee chainsaw cut really fast, really swift through the big timbers that we're using on this job site.
The M18 Fuel chainsaw far exceeds anything we've ever used. The long run time, the torque, it performs well above what we possibly could have expected.
I was impressed with the 12.0 battery. Charges quick, lasts a long time, and kept the power.
The 12.0 batteries cut through all day long without slowing down or anything.
The battery life on that Milwaukee saw was phenomenal.
And it's quiet too. Everybody can talk while we're working, keep the fumes down. It was everything we needed.
If I had a choice between a gas-powered and the Milwaukee chainsaw, I would take the Milwaukee chainsaw.
Experience Makita's cordless outdoor power equipment. The chainsaw starts instantly and features a brushless motor that provides power equivalent to a 32cc gas model. Get unstoppable power without the hassles of gas. Now quieter than ever, the blower reaches speeds of 120 miles per hour. Use Makita's cordless products anytime, anywhere.
Introducing the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs that need convenient and reliable high performance. The CS1500 self-sharpening electric chainsaw from Oregon. Rugged, durable, and easy to use, the CS1500 is as ready to go as you are. Equipped with a powerful 2400-watt motor and a 40-centimeter guide bar, you're able to tackle almost any job. With its low kickback bar and chain, the CS1500 is comfortable and easy to use. The CS1500 is the only self-sharpening corded electric chainsaw on the market. Don't worry if you touch a stone on the ground while cutting. With a simple pull of the red Power Sharp lever, you'll take your chain from dull to sharp in as little as 3 seconds. Oregon's patented Power Sharp technology means you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Perfect for cutting firewood, this low-noise saw is silent between cuts. Enjoy the solid construction of this heavy-duty chainsaw, featuring an automatic chain oiler and toolless chain tensioning system. Offering the ultimate in corded convenience, the CS1500 is built for long jobs that need uncompromised power and precision. Forget about petrol. This saw starts instantly, with no pull cords, warm-up, or petrol mixing. Ergonomically designed, this 5.7 kilogram saw is well balanced and fitted with a comfortable handle to reduce fatigue, so you can keep going as long as the job requires. The CS1500 self-sharpening electric chainsaw from Oregon. The only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs.
The Dewalt 20-volt max chainsaw has a brushless motor delivering powerful performance. The 20-volt max 5 amp-hour battery delivers extended runtime of up to 90 cuts per charge on a 4x4. The chainsaw is compact and lightweight with a 12-inch bar and chain for ease of use and handling in smaller cutting applications. The low kickback Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. With no gas to operate, it starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws, and it can be used indoors or out.
I've been in the tree service industry for 10 years here locally in Grand Rapids and in business for myself for the last 5. I started out just like everybody else, tending rope, dragging branches, feeding a wood chipper. My first thought when I hear electric chainsaw is weakness. Just can't cut the tough stuff, you know, that a gas-powered saw can get through. The Ego chainsaw is surprisingly powerful for how lightweight it is. And the first thing I noticed when I squeezed the trigger was the power that was right there. It will really chew through a branch. It seems to be an extremely safe saw to use. There is a 2-controlled initiation for the actual chain power. You have to have the side button pushed before the trigger will engage the chain, which is crucial. I've been impressed so far. I've been in a tree now climbing for most of an hour. Obviously the saw is not running the entire time, but I'd say we've cut 20 branches, some of them smaller in diameter, some of them quite larger in the 4 to 5 inch diameter range. We're going on an hour and the battery has not slowed down yet. Not too bad.
Man, this thing is fast. Coming down.
The power to weight ratio is what makes a difference in a saw, and for how light the Ego is, it is surprisingly powerful. For something with a portable battery, with a sharp chain, it does the work of any small gas-powered saw in that weight class. The number one advantage that I can see to the Ego is no more trips to the gas station. No more trips to the hardware store on Saturday morning for 2-cycle mix, just 1 jug of bar and chain oil and electric battery, and you're ready to get to work. And there's no gas to store inside your house, so you can take it right down in the basement, put it up on a shelf, and there's no winterization, which is another huge benefit.
Introducing the 40-volt lithium-ion battery-powered chainsaw from Greenworks. Featuring a 12-inch bar and chain, toolless chain tensioning with a quick adjust knob, auto oiler with viewing window, and cushion overmold handles and grips for operator comfort. This saw is perfect for those backyard jobs. Powered by Greenworks 40-volt lithium-ion battery, the chainsaw can run for up to 60 minutes on a single charge. Greenworks stands by all their products with a 4-year limited warranty.
If you're new to our channel, you can hit the subscribe button right here. We post new videos every week, or there's probably another video you'll like right here. I'm Josh, and we'll see you next time.